Woodworking has evolved, and so have the tools that make it easier and more precise than ever before. In today's video, we're showcasing 20 incredible woodworking tools that are truly on another level. These cutting-edge devices and innovative designs will change how you approach your projects, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting. Get ready to upgrade your workshop and see how these tools can elevate your craftsmanship like never before. Let's jump right in. The wood reciprocating blade is designed for fast, clean cuts in wood. It features a unique tooth geometry that reduces binding and improves cutting speed. The blade's carbide teeth stay sharp longer than standard blades. The good thing is, it's compatible with most reciprocating saws on the market. This blade excels at demolition work and rough carpentry tasks. It can cut through nails embedded in wood without causing significant damage to the teeth. The amped blade's performance can reduce stress during long cutting sessions. The reciprocating blade is particularly useful for remodelers and construction workers who frequently cut wood with their reciprocating saws. Let's talk about the Rotary burrs. These burrs are built for shaping and smoothing wood surfaces. They're made with tungsten carbide teeth, which provide durability and efficient material removal. The burrs come in various shapes and sizes to suit different tasks. They can be used with angle grinders, die grinders, or flexible shaft machines. Cut-saw burrs are particularly effective for sculpting, carving, and smoothing irregular surfaces. They work well on both hardwood and softwood. These tools can save time compared to traditional hand-carving methods. Woodworkers engaged in artistic or custom projects will find these burrs especially valuable. They offer a way to achieve detailed shaping with power tool efficiency. When it comes to heavy-duty support, the BORA Workhorse folding sawhorses are in a league of their own. With a 1,350-pound capacity per sawhorse, 2,700 pounds combined, they can handle even the toughest tasks. Setup is fast and hassle-free thanks to a single release latch and gravity-assisted deployment, making them 10 times quicker than standard sawhorses. The durable steel leg latches create a sturdy A-frame without needing to secure each leg manually. These sawhorses aren't just strong, they're versatile too. Pre-drilled 2x4 brackets let you connect multiple units to build a solid, portable workbench. And when you're done, the legs fold neatly inside for easy storage and transport. Whether you're tackling big projects or need a reliable, on-the-go solution, the BORA Workhorse delivers unmatched strength, speed, and convenience. It's a must-have for anyone serious about woodworking. For anyone serious about woodworking or construction, the Tesman WM186 Portable Pen Moisture Meter is an indispensable tool. Its compact, pen-shaped design makes it easy to carry around, perfect for quick checks on the go. With 2 high-precision pins, this meter delivers fast and accurate moisture readings across various wood types like oak, maple, and spruce, all shown clearly on its 3-color screen. The device even offers 2 modes and 7 calibration scales, covering a wide range of moisture levels from 0.0% to 58%. Plus, with features like auto shutoff and a low battery indicator, it's both energy efficient and user-friendly, ensuring you make informed decisions without hassle. Cutting perfect dovetail joints just got a whole lot easier with this dovetail marker. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed to take your precision and efficiency to the next level. It offers 4 slope options, so you can tackle both softwood and hardwood projects with ease. Built from a solid billet of aluminum with a sleek black and red anodized finish, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable. And with double-sided imperial annotations, marking out timber becomes second nature. Plus, its extra-large ergonomic design ensures your cuts are as precise as possible. This dovetail marker is a must-have addition to any woodworking toolbox, combining versatility, durability, and ease of use all in one compact package. When precision matters most, the Lexivon Aluminum Miter Saw Protractor is the tool you need. Crafted from CNC-machined anodized aluminum alloy steel, this protractor ensures accurate measurements for flawless cuts every time. Its internal Teflon O-ring mechanism allows for smooth and precise reading of inside and outside corners, taking the guesswork out of your cuts. Stronger than plastic alternatives, its quarter-inch thick aluminum body guarantees durability, making it ideal for crown molding, trim work, and carpentry. The Worx YX822L finger sander is a game-changer for precision sanding in tight spaces. Its unique attachment gets into corners and small areas, making it ideal for detailed woodworking projects. Without the hassle of a cord, you have full freedom to twist and turn as needed, ensuring no spot is out of reach. Powered by the Power Share system, the same battery runs over 75 tools, offering flexibility and convenience. Plus, the built-in dust collector keeps your workspace clean, making it easier to focus on a flawless finish. With 12,000 orbits per minute in a compact, lightweight design at just 1.8 pounds, this sander offers incredible control without sacrificing power. It's small, but it packs a punch for any detail project. Achieving a flawless finish is essential in woodworking, and the Bosch ROS 10 palm sander makes it look effortless. With an integral pad dampening braking system, it prevents those dreaded swirl marks that can ruin a project. Its 2.5-amp motor delivers a powerful 12,000 OPM, and the random orbit action ensures a perfectly blended, ultra-smooth finish. The combination of pad orbit and rotation allows for rapid material removal, saving you time without sacrificing quality. The hook and loop disc attachment ensures the disc stays secure, while the microcellular backing pad guarantees smooth, fine finishes. A must-have for a professional touch. The Milescraft MC Square 300 is a multi-purpose measuring tool. It combines a square, level, and protractor in one device. The tool features both imperial and metric measurements. Its aluminum construction ensures durability without adding excessive weight. The MC Square 300 can measure angles from 0 to 180 degrees, which makes it useful for various woodworking tasks. The built-in level helps ensure accuracy in your measurements. To be more specific, this tool is particularly helpful for beginners who want to simplify their toolkit. By combining multiple functions, it reduces the number of separate tools you need to carry. The MC Square 300 is a time saver that promotes precision in your woodworking projects. Moving on to the one-handed bar clamps. These clamps are designed for single-handed operation so that they can free up your other hand for positioning workpieces. They come in various sizes to suit different project needs. The clamps feature a quick release trigger for easy removal. Their non-marring pads protect your workpiece from damage during clamping. The I-beam construction provides strength without excessive weight. These clamps are especially useful for assembly tasks where you need to hold multiple pieces together. They can apply up to 300 pounds of force. No doubt it ensures a tight grip. Overall, bar clamps offer a balance of convenience and effectiveness for woodworkers of all skill levels. First up is the Ox Large Door Clamp. This tool addresses the hassle of holding doors steady during installation or repair. It fits doors up to 2 inches thick and 48 inches wide. The clamp's rubber pads protect the door's surface from scratches. Its quick release mechanism allows for easy adjustments. Woodworkers will find this clamp particularly useful for hanging doors alone, as it eliminates the need for an extra pair of hands. The strong construction ensures stability throughout the installation process. By using this clamp, you can achieve more precise alignments and reduce the time spent on door hanging tasks. Remember, a well-hung door is the foundation of a polished finish in any room. Carrying large, heavy sheets just got effortless with this incredible panel carrier. If you've ever struggled with moving full 4x8 sheets, this tool is a game changer. It's built to handle up to 100 pounds and can securely hold sheets up to 3/4 of an inch thick, making it perfect for plywood, drywall, and more. The ergonomic design lets you carry these bulky materials one-handed without straining yourself or damaging the panel. Whether you're a carpenter or a DIYer, this kreg panel carrier will quickly become a go-to in your workshop. It combines strength, convenience, and premium kreg quality to make woodworking smoother and more efficient. Next, we have the Woodpecker's DF500 offset base system. This tool is designed for use with the Festool domino joiner. It allows for accurate placement of mortises near edges or corners where the standard base can't reach. The system includes 3 bases with different offsets: 5mm, 10mm, and 20mm. These options give woodworkers more flexibility in joint placement. The bases are made from durable materials to withstand workshop conditions. Now, what kind of benefits can you expect from this tool? By using this system, you can expand the capabilities of your domino joiner, which enables you to create joints in previously challenging locations. This tool is especially valuable for furniture makers working on complex designs. It's a solution that opens up new possibilities in joinery, and right-handed users can use it. The plane's body is made of ductile cast iron for durability. It includes a fence for guiding straight cuts and a depth stop for consistent rebate depths. This tool comes in handy for traditional woodworkers and those working on period furniture reproductions. The duplex rebate plane offers precise control that power tools can't always match, so it's suitable for fine adjustments to achieve the perfect fit in your joinery work. It's a tool that combines versatility with the satisfaction of handcrafted results. When precision is everything, this mini wood planer is a must-have tool for any woodworker. Crafted with a blade made from professional-level 9-chromium tungsten manganese tool steel, this planer boosts cutting efficiency while minimizing wear, ensuring long-lasting sharpness. The adjustable cutting depth makes it versatile for various tasks, from trimming to polishing and deburring. Plus, the body is built from ductile iron with stainless steel parts, making it rugged and durable for heavy-duty use. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, this small hand plane's ease of use and ergonomic design make it indispensable for all your woodworking projects. Precision matters, and this digital caliper ensures you get it right every time. With an impressive resolution of 0.0005 inches and an accuracy of 0.001 inches, it's perfect for detailed tasks like reloading, jewelry making, and DIY projects. Made from polished stainless steel, it offers smooth, reliable operation for effortless measurements. Whether you're working in inches, millimeters, or fractions, this 6-inch digital caliper adapts to your needs, providing accuracy and ease of use in one sleek tool. It's a must-have for any serious woodworker or hobbyist. Achieve perfect alignment with the Motivera 100-foot green cross-line laser level. This compact, lightweight tool projects a 110-degree horizontal and vertical line, making it ideal for precision woodworking or home improvement. With 4 adjustable brightness levels, the green beam is 4 times more visible than red lasers, ensuring accurate measurements even in outdoor conditions. The self-leveling feature ensures flawless alignment within 4 degrees, while the manual mode offers more control for angled projects. Plus, the magnetic bracket allows easy setup on any surface. This laser level is dust and water resistant, built for durability, and designed to handle any environment. The folding pull saw is a portable cutting tool for woodworkers. Its blade folds into the handle for safe storage and transport. The saw features aggressive teeth designed for efficient cutting on the pull stroke. It has a comfortable grip to reduce hand fatigue during use. This saw is mostly suitable for making flush cuts or working in tight spaces. The folding design makes it easy to carry in a tool belt or pocket. It can handle both softwoods and hardwoods effectively. The folding pull saw is a good choice for carpenters who need a versatile cutting tool on job sites. It offers the precision of a handsaw with added convenience and safety features. Lastly, we have the Log Wizard Debarker. This tool attaches to a chainsaw to remove bark from logs. It features carbide teeth that efficiently strip bark without damaging the wood underneath. The Log Wizard can also be used for texturing and sculpting wood surfaces. It's particularly important for log home builders and rustic furniture makers. This tool can significantly speed up the debarking process compared to manual methods. It works on both softwoods and hardwoods. The Log Wizard allows woodworkers to prepare raw logs for further processing or use in natural-looking projects. It's a specialized tool that fills a specific niche in wood preparation tasks. These woodworking tools showcase the innovative solutions available to modern craftsmen. From precise measuring devices to efficient cutting and shaping tools, each item addresses specific challenges in woodworking. By having these tools in your workflow, you can enhance your efficiency, accuracy, and the overall quality of your projects. Remember, the right tool can make a significant difference in your woodworking journey. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.